Today we are going to introduce how to make a special prawn rice. First we need to boil 4 or 5 potatoes as you wish your quantity of the recipe. Then you should prepare your cutting board. You need 500 grams of properly cleaned prawns. After that put some water to non-stick pot. Then put all the prawns to that pot. Keep it on the gas cooker for boil well. While it is boiling add some salt, curry powder, chili powder as your to saute. Then you should cook basmati rice 500 grams. You can change the quantity as you wish. While cooking the basmati rice you can prepare other ingredients. Then you should prepare properly cleaned big onions, garlic pieces and ginger. After that blend them properly together. Then you can deep fry all the prawns previously boiled. Next cut previously boiled potatoes into several pieces. Cut small pieces to all the onions you have. Keep aside prawns that you have previously fried. Then you should fry all the onions and potatoes separately. After that you need to cut some tomatoes to small pieces. Boil the tomatoes. Then take some green chilies. Next you should cut some small pieces of 1 lemon. You should add those lemon by squeeze into the pot, which include prawns, potato, green chilies, tomatoes. Then cut some coriander leaves. Put those into prawns potato pot. Then fry some ginger and garlic paste previously you blender. After that add cooked basmati rice into fried garlic and ginger paste. Add biryani mixed powder to the garlic ginger paste before you mix the basmati rice. Then put all the mixture of prawns, potato, tomato into the basmati rice and mix them well. Then you should cook them well until disappear the water. Now you can taste your special prawns biryani. Try it and put your comments. Have a nice day.